make a quick dump and go meal. You're going to need a lot of ingredients for this, so let's get started. You're going to need some chicken broth, cornstarch, soy sauce, sesame oil. You're going to need some crushed red peppers, rice vinegar, brown sugar, minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you would like. And then of course you're going to need your chicken. Start by adding some olive oil, and I just like to do that to keep it from sticking. Just kind of mix it around. Then we're going to add our diced chicken. Spread it around a little bit. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and this happens to be just a 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to add 1 more, and this is a half a tablespoon because my tablespoon was dirty from earlier. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're going to do a tablespoon of garlic. And we need a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Now you need a tablespoon of rice vinegar. This is what it looks like. And then you need a 1/4 cup of water. And then about a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can use a little more or a little less of that as well. And then you're going to give it a good stir. Put your lid on. When you hear the second sound, put it on seal. And then you're going to press your pressure cook, take off your warm, and you want to set this for 5 minutes. And then we're going to do a 10-minute natural release, which means we will not change this. We'll just leave it for 10 minutes after this goes off. So in the meantime, you're going to make either your rice or your spaghetti. We're going to have spaghetti with ours tonight because we used all our rice. So we're going to make some spaghetti, and then we'll be back to make what goes in after this is done. Alright, you're going to take your cornstarch, and the recipe calls for about 2 tablespoons. You can do a little more or a little less depending on how thick you want it. And then you're just going to need some water, just a little bit of water. And you're going to stir that a little bit. If it doesn't seem like it has enough water, then you'll want to add a little more water. And then you're going to whisk it. I added just a little more water. I'm going to pour that in. Cornstarch and water mixture. Now we're going to go ahead and put it back on seal. And we're going to hit the Sauté button.